Hello friends, welcome to my channel Take an etc. Today I will show you the first use of hot bag. Okay, let's see. I ordered it from Flipkart. What is this inside the box? A funnel, a charging cable, and this is the hot bag. Okay, I'll show you how to use this. First you have to remove this, and here is the charging cable, charging pin, and put it into a bottle and use 800 to 1 liter water in this. Okay, I will show you how to fill water in it. Take a bottle and remove its cap. Now this cap put into this. Now you can put this into this side like that way. After filling the water, you put this socket into this, and put this into a plug. Now I put this into charging and charge on. It's glowing. After 15 minutes it will be fully charged and your hot bag is ready for use. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel Take an etc.